If you're a travel agent or travel agency and you're running ads, you cannot miss this AI tool at AdCreative AI, which allows you to generate conversions. Focus ad creatives in a matter of seconds. All these creatives literally took me less than 1 or 2 minutes, so the way that AdCreative AI works is that first you create your brand. After you create your brand, it's all about generating, so click on Generate and then Add Creatives. As you can set, AdCreative AI covers pretty much 100 of all the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter. We even cover Google Performance Max sizes, or hundreds of them, and if you're running any kind of display advertising, including Google Display Ads, we also cover all those sizes. So let's go ahead with the project description. It's already becoming super simple, something that I added for the sake of this video. So the project description is to resell travel packages for Bahamas, Paris, and Amsterdam, and target audience, people who live in the USA who want to travel. So it can be really simplified, it doesn't matter, and then the next step is to take step by step. We have built this text AI button to really help you out. You can generate in many languages, including English, French, and 20+ languages pretty much, so escape to the Bahamas, Paris and Amsterdam. If it looks amazing to you, then escape to a part of your dream vacation. If you want to change anything, you can explore. Bahamas looks good to me, and you're going to see why it looks good to me. So let's say here is an icon, let's get a plain icon. So the text party is done super easy, pretty much didn't write anything. So the first one is if you're advertising only one destination. So if you're basically advertising Paris destination, then you would use this one. But in my case, I want to advertise 3 different ones, and I don't want to create one project for each to save time, so I'm going ahead. I already saved 3 images, Amsterdam Bombers and Paris locations, so I selected those 3, and as you know in the call to action it was already saying Bahamas or something. So I want to change the text for each one of these images, so individually for each image you can change the text. So Explore Paris is done, Explore Amsterdam is done, and again, the Bahamas is done. I'm just gonna add the exclamation mark, and we're good to go. So that is pretty much it for the travel project. Save and generate. So basically in just a matter of seconds, I isolated my size. I had already created the brand before giving my project description and target audience. It helped me with the text, and in just a couple of seconds, you're going to see that I have generated over 300 images. So the creatives are here, they're all generated in an instant way, and one of the beautiful things that you may ask me to find is that you uploaded 3 images. Where are those guys? The only thing you need to do is scroll down and like one of the images. If you like one of those images, for example, this looks really good, you're gonna click here. You can just download the one you see, or you can download the 3 of them that you uploaded before. It's gonna make more sense. So I downloaded 3 of them. You're gonna see that it's gonna give me a zip file. I open the zip file, and you're gonna see that I'm going to be receiving 3 different images. Escape to the Bahamas, Paris and Amsterdam. Escape to your dream location and explore Amsterdam with the Amsterdam photo. I go to the next one, explore the Bahamas with the same image, and then explore Paris. So as you can see, even if you have 100, 200, 300, or 1000 different destinations or locations that you want to advertise, you just take all those images and drop them into the background images. Drop down to AdCreative AI individually. If you're on Edit to Text, you don't have to, but if you want it, you can edit them individually, and then in one go, we generate all those creators for you in a matter of seconds. And one of the most important things about AdCreative AI is that all the creatives are also press cord, which means that Creative AI is telling you that, hey, look, I generated over 100 AD creators for you, and all being said, I have scored them. So you don't have to test them all, which means that, as you know, if you test so many creatives, it's gonna decrease your ROI because the more you test, the more you're gonna find fails, and those fails are gonna mess up the return on investment or return on ad span of your ads. But that Creative AI has over 150 million high conversion rate ad creatives in the database. So we know exactly what kinds of ads perform the best and what kinds of ads really waste your money. So at this point, every kind of creative generator line Creative AI is also scored by the AdCreative AI, so you can actually spend your money on the ones that the Creative AI predicts are going to perform the best. So that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that when you generate those creatives, you can also go ahead and generate text as well. Let's go do that together. So I'm going to click on the Generate button and then Text Projects, so my brand description is there. And the ad type you can go with. We have several different copywriting methodologies, such as before and after. Bridge painage date solution feature advantage benefit, but in this one I'm gonna go with listicle. I think let's take off. It's really good for the travel businesses. And then I'm gonna select here professional, and here I'm going to say travel agency, and my call to action is that book your trip today, as simple as that, and I'm gonna generate. So here we are using ChatGPT or GPT-4, but since we have millions of high conversion rates, add text, we know exactly what kind of takes par from the best. That's why we have tweaked it to give you creatives that's going to perform really well. So let's just scroll in a bit, ready to explore the world. Take your pick from amazing packages to the Bahamas. Paris and Amsterdam, relax on the beautiful beaches of the Bahamas. Marvel at the sides of Paris and enjoy the vibrant beauty of Amsterdam. Book your trip today with our travel agents. It looks really good if you're happy to copy it. Go and paste it on Facebook or wherever you're advertising. If you want to make any changes, you can also edit them directly within the platform, so there are clearly many more features of AdCreative AI that can help you. But if you're running any kind of travel agency, AdCreative AI is definitely a must-have for you, because right now every single week we have a couple hundred travel agents and agencies signing up to Creative AI, and they're getting a competitive edge. Keep in mind that AdCreative AI is absolutely free to try. 7-day free trial, 10 free credits. Go generate those creatives. Don't let them put them on your Facebook ad or your Google ads, wherever you're advertising. See the results, and after you see the results, I assure you that you're gonna come back, sign up, and get one of the biggest packages, because you're gonna see that AdCreative AI is going to be your biggest competitive advantage. So that's it. Thanks a lot. See you on the next video.